Me and Greenage as a startup, we looking out for goodwill rather than profit with a proper break even. Because मेरा मानना है कि अगर नाम बढ़ेगा तभी तो जाके दाम बढ़ेगा.
Let's get started. Let's go.
Hello everyone, we have Kalinga Greenage here with us. Ma'am, can you introduce your business to the audience?
First of all, hi everyone, a very good evening. I am Ananya Adithilenka, Director, Co-founder, Kalinga Greenage Private Limited. As the name seems, Greenage is all about plants and eco-life.
Ma'am, what inspired you to start this business?
I think it would be my father. Plants are basically my father's passion, mostly inherited by me. He is very plant driven, and I don't know what type of attachment he does, but then after getting into the business, I actually thought, plants has a different vibe which a plastic plant can't give.
Ma'am, can you tell what actually your business does?
We are into end-to-end solution with rooftop gardening specialized, but we also provide urban gardening services, which is basically providing plants, maintaining and designing your vibrant green urban spaces.
Do you have a offline store or online, ma'am?
Offline, currently we are operating it from Buddhiswari Colony from our rooftop, but we are soon coming up with a strong and a lovely garden cafe.
Ma'am, how you get your audience, your customers to know your business, ma'am?
As Greenage is on a very startup mode, we are mostly into, let's say, verbal marketing. Plus, we are into the different business platform like BNI and BC promoting, and we really love to work with a referral model.
Ma'am, you said you have a subscription model. Ma'am, can you please explain that part, ma'am?
Okay, subscription model is basically what we call USP of Greenage, or we can say it's a Gen Z touch. So, subscription AMC is basically we renting out plants on a yearly subscription model while providing post-care services. So, let's say you have an area, let's say this area. If we take it over, we can provide, if this area can accommodate around 10 plants and it has space for 20, we can bill for 10 and we will give you 20 and would be providing post-care services. But if you take it on your own and you buy by yourself, it would be very expensive for you. And as the area is not very acquainted to plants, so it is bound that setting up 10 plants and 5 will die. So that would be a loss to you. But for me, my company would take care of all 10 and the external provider. And if there is any damage or death to the area, it would be returned to the company and it would be again reported and sent back to you. So the ownership lies with the company.
Ma'am, that's so innovative. Ma'am, where the idea did you get?
This was basically derived from a simple discussion on my rooftop with my father.
Ma'am, how is the pricing strategy? How your
pricing is very negligible because me and Greenage as a startup, we looking out for goodwill rather than profit with a proper break even. Because मेरा मानना है कि अगर नाम बढ़ेगा तभी तो जाके दाम बढ़ेगा.
Ma'am, what is your opinion on this business? How is the experience doing this?
Experience for a businesswoman, I would say, not for me but for everyone, having a business is like a roller coaster. Sometimes it's very exciting, sometimes it's worrisome, sometimes it feels very responsible because the people you have hired, the people who are working for you, you basically feel very responsible for them and their families. So it is like, one bread earner for many people. But again, it's awesome.
When did you found this business? When was this business started?
It has basically, I got it registered last year. But the process of learning, maintaining and understanding the whole scenario took me around 3 to 4 years. So we have been operating from 2019, but I got it registered last year, 2024.
Ma'am, it was really great to interact with you. Ma'am, I hope your business flourish and people get to know you and your business.
Thank you so much. You're really lovely and a big best of luck to you too.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.